If you're looking for a home that has location, comfort, and a whole lot of community charm, stop scrolling. We've got a good one today, and it's right here in one of Brookings' most desirable spots. Let's go check it out. All right, let's talk about why this spot is hot in Brookings. You're just minutes away from some of the best this town has to offer, like the Aquatic Center. Whether you're perfecting your cannonball or just lounging poolside, it's a local favorite. Then you've got multiple parks nearby for picnics, biking, or just catching some fresh South Dakota sunshine. And if you're into convenience, schools are just down the road. Seriously, grab your coffee and you're there in no time. Now let's cruise back over to the home. Check out this fenced backyard. It's a peaceful little paradise with perennial gardens that bring color and charm throughout all 3 seasons. And yes, there's a pergola just waiting for your grill and your favorite cold drink. Step inside and you'll find a layout that flows. The kitchen is dialed in with the granite countertops, a wall oven, stainless steel appliances, and a backsplash that ties it all together. Main level includes 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, and even a den for that home office gaming cave, or your secret snack stash. Hey, no judgment here. Head downstairs and boom, cozy fireplace. Another bedroom, 3/4 bath, and a whole lot of storage. Whether you're binge watching or building pillow forts, this space brings the vibes. And all of this, it's tucked right here in Brookings, a town that's big enough to have everything you need and small enough to know your barista by name. From local events to sports, good eats to great people, Brookings brings the good life without the big city chaos. So if you're ready to make a move, come see what this home and this awesome community have to offer. Give one of the Brookings Home Team agents a shout. We would love to show you around. Thank you for watching, and be sure to follow us on all of our other social media platforms. Bye for now.